Denji's story in Chainsaw Man is the perfect example of how dreams are relative. You see, he didn't dream of fame, fortune, or power, but instead he dreamed of very simple things. A toast to a jam, a bed to sleep in, or even someone to hold his hand. And to most people that sounds like nothing, but for Denji, who grew up in the darkness and sold his organs just to survive, those little things meant absolutely everything. And that's the beauty and tragedy of Chainsaw Man. It clearly shows us that dreams depend on where you start. Your nothing might be someone else's paradise, and your most wild dreams might mean absolutely nothing to someone who has it all. What Denji teaches us is that no dream is small if it brings peace to a broken soul, because the size of the dream doesn't necessarily matter, but what matters most is how far you had to reach to get it.